Rice, a global staple food, with a market value of $376 billion, often faces challenges like fraud and adulteration, threatening health and economies. Manual classification by experts is time-consuming, subjective to human expertise and still error-prone. Me, Hisham Salim and Mohammed Yusuf from final year Electrical Engineering Department developed a cloud-based rice classification system which uses deep neural networks to analyze images of rice grains and identify their variety. To capture rice images, we have provided two methods: Smart Rice Grid Paper and Scanner. The user will put some rice grain on scanner, the scanner will scan full image and then store the image in some storage device like laptop. Similarly, the user will put rice samples on smart grid paper and capture the image through mobile phone camera. We have digitalized the dataset of 7 pure rice varieties, photographed under consistent lighting, which include Super White, Super Silky, Super Brown, Super Hybrid 109, Super Sela, C9 Sela, and PK386. The AI algorithm extracts physical features from each grain, such as area, length, width, major axis length, minor axis length, perimeter, and roundness. These features become inputs to a deep neural network. Our web app brings it all together. A user uploads a photo, and the image is sent to the AI model running on our university HPC. In seconds, the app displays the predicted rice variety and confidence level. Because everything is cloud-based, processing is fast and consistent. Anyone with an internet connection can use our classifier. This cloud-based classifier is a glimpse of the future. Thank you for watching our video.